Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be walking through question 17 from section B of the 2025 national exam. I will show you step by step how to solve it and explain the reasoning along the way. So let's get started. So thank you. Let's get started. So I'll be using some Kinyarwanda words so that you can all of you understand. So this question was the question 17 from the national exam 2025. So they were it was asking that you must first find the values of the values of A, B, and C from this, and we'll be comparing with the px. So to find it, you have to multiply this x negative 2 and ax squared, bx, and cx. So if we make multiplication, we'll be getting these values. So we be a times x. A times x is equal to ax cubic, and then a times z bx, we'll be getting bx squared, and then this this we will be getting x cx. So it's on a turn of negative 2. Negative 2 times ax square will be getting the negative 2 ax square. That is why they make factorization and put x square aside, out of the bracket, so that we can group those with the same. Yes, you can the x squares on their side and the x on their side, so that we can get the way to solve the question. So rimwe ndavuga ngo mu gukuba bino twakubye, hano twabonye ax cubic, hano tubona b x squared, hano tubona iki xc, hano tubona ubwo tuhise tujya kuri kabiri, negative 2 times ax square tuhita tubona negative 2 ax square. Niyo mpamvu bafashe x squared bayishyira inyuma. Urumva hano b yari positive, b ni kubanira positive, then nubikuba n'ubundi turaza kubona icyo twari dufite the original one. So nahanga kuri x tuzishyira ukwazo, then c yanyuma twari kubona negative 2c. That's what we get. Ino 2 yakubye kuri ino c. So ikintu tuhita dukora rero, tuhita dufata ino ax cubic, this ax cubic tugahita tuyinganya n'iki, n'iyi ngiyi yo kuri px bari baduhaye, bivuze ngo coefficient iri hano ni 1. So that is why twafashe akangaka tukakanganya n'iki, which means tugasimplify izi ngizi, bivuze ngo twahise dusigara n'iki, a equal 1. So twahita tuza hano akangaka turakanganyisha nuko kuri x square byari bifite, nitubinganyisha turabona iki, turabona b negative 2a x square ingana na negative x squared. By simplifying x squared on both sides, will be tuhita tubona iki, tuhita tubona ko b negative 2a ingana na negative 1, kubera ko ino x yajyanye n'iya x ya hano. Then kandi dufite values ya a, turaza kuhita tuyishyiramo hehe, hano tuhita tuyishyiramo hano, then the values ya a, then be getting negative 2a equal negative 1. So turaza gukomeza hano dushaka yego. None tumara kubibona, turaza kuhita tubona ko no kuri c hano twahita tuyinganyisha c ni kuri 14, which means ko x ziricana, then dusigara niki, c negative 2b ingana na negative 14. Nidukomeza rero twahise dusanga dusimbuje hano, tuhita tubona ko x ingana na b ingana na 1. Hano nidushyiramo the value ya a kuri hano, which means ni b negative 2, kandi negative 2 niza kujya hano inyuma biraza kuba positive, then plus iteranye kuri ino negative 1 tuze kubona ko b ingana na 1. So b niba ingana na 1 rero na hano turaza gusimuza varia ya b. So tuze gusanga iki, the real values akungana na yes b hano nidushyiramo nanone 1 niza kuza hano iteranya no kuri 14 tuze kubona negative ingana negative 2. So the px they asked is ni ibi ngibi. Dusimuze noneho value twari dufite hano, twasanze hano yes ahangaha a twabonye 1, b tubona 1, c tubona negative 12. So that is why ahangaha twahise tubona ibi ngibi, bivuze ngo twazibonye zose. So let's continue by factorizing. But we gukora factorization dukoresha ya nzira isanzwe murayizi. Factorization hano the product will be the product will be 12 12, but the negative 12 and the sum will be equal to 1. So turashaka umubare hano kugira ngo tufactorize umubare hano twateranya n'undi ukaba kangahe, ukaba 1 kubera ko hano dufite plus x, n'uwo twakuba tukabona negative 12 n'uwuhe. So dufite icyo bita plus 4 and negative 3 niyo turi gukora. Ubwo ni x plus 4 and then times x negative 3. So uraza no guhita ubikuraza gutuma the answers will be equal to x square plus x negative 12. So let's continue. So this was the question 17 and they asked it to factorize it. So on the factorization, yes, we have got a equal 1, b equal also 1, and c equal 12, and this is the px how it will be looking like. So the factorization, when you factorize it, so we'll be getting this. You can also take x plus 4 and multiply with x negative 3, so you can get this, the original one that we got. So the root of x, as they ask it, is that. These are the root of a. Oh, sorry. These are the roots of. These are the roots of a. These are the roots. Yes. The roots. Yes, these are the roots. So x equal 2 and x equal negative 4 and x equal 3. So these are the roots they were asking. So thank you. This is the end of video. So I want you to make subtraction, comment, share, and ask me for more if there is any question, anything, any reason, anything that you want from either mathematics, biology, physics. So you can ask. All of them. So thank you. This is Net Academy. So I hope you are doing well. So let's see in another new